Hello, Ashwin. Hi again. I want to share with the viewers and my friends the kind of expertise, the kind of guidance that I've been getting from you since we started trading together. Now, I came from a very dodgy background where I was trading with stockbrokers and bankers, and even from the big banks. I don't want to mention names, but I've suffered losses. And all throughout paying those fees, I never felt as safe and guided as I have with you. Now, this is the main reason why we created this channel, so that we can, number one, improve everyone's financial intelligence and use your expertise, your background, so that we can make better financial decisions for ourselves and hopefully make some money.
Thank you so much for having the confidence in me, Tessie, and inviting me once again as well. In our previous videos, we have said that the NASDAQ started a major bull run. Now, what is even more exciting is this. The NASDAQ Golden Dragon Index, China Index, Golden Dragon China Index, has beaten the broader US NASDAQ Composite Index market for 3 consecutive weeks.
You see, I didn't even know there was a China NASDAQ.
Now, but can you see what's happening, Tessie? In my previous videos, I've already said, do not ignore tech because it's the new economy. Now, this is what we're seeing. Whether it's China, whether it's US, whether it's Asia, tech is tech. And tech has got so much opportunities that the normal old economy doesn't have.
Yes.
That's why you can see the Chinese tech, months to date, please listen to this, both the Hang Seng Tech and the NASDAQ Golden Dragon gauges are up at least 15% month to date.
Yes.
Now, let me tell you here's why. If everyone looks at the chart behind me, it shows you that Chinese tech shares are their near cheapest ever level compared to the US ones. Okay, here's why. Because they are very cheap, okay, and this level of cheapness is back to the cheapest level since 2006. So let me add, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. You better catch it fast.
Before we are just at the upswing, right? We're just at the point where it's about to upswing.
Yes.
Yeah, now I understand, Ashwin, why you kept, drumming about tech and the new economy. I mean, it's creating so many opportunities and simply mind-blowing, creating new jobs and obliterating many as well. And I remember when Meta Platforms, the parent company of Facebook, was plunging. You remember those days?
Yes.
You said, don't panic and keep on buying at lower levels. Yes. And I'm just looking at the rates here. Wow, now Meta Platforms has climbed 215% since October of last year. Amazing.
Yes. Can you all see? This is better than buying a lottery ticket, better than putting our money in fixed deposit, better than...
Provided we waited, provided we knew to be patient.
Provided you know what you're buying, provided you have professional advice, provided you have the patience to wait and not panic.
Otherwise, we would just be skittish and throw.
I ask you a question. So Meta Platforms was plunging from 300 over US dollars to 80 US dollars.
Yeah.
Nobody had the guts to buy. Everybody was panicking.
Well, they didn't have the advice.
I bought for you, Tessie.
Yeah, I know. They didn't have that advice.
Yes. So we keep on doing the same meta frame again, talking about the same thing again, that there is no need to panic. So what is it? It's about
provided you have solid advice.
Yes. So let me tell you the main scoop where the China NASDAQ is concerned. Okay? China's Tencent Holdings has climbed 76% since October last year.
Tencent, huh?
Tencent Holdings, China. Since October last year, 76% climb. Which investment can give you this? Your bond market as well?
Well, at one time, they were a bit choppy as well.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. If you understand what you're buying, if you have solid financial information, as in solid financial intelligence, you will not be scared. Because
Yeah.
a quality company with a solid product and service is
Yeah.
always there.
Right. And then what else, Ashwin? Any other names?
Before we tell you further, here's a free warning or a free advice. Watch Alibaba. Watch Alibaba. They've just done the management reshuffle today, so big things are coming. And we warned you here first on this video. Now, besides making such returns, 76% since October, 215% since October,
Yes.
we have another strategy to enable investors to earn passive recurring income while they are waiting for the shares to go up.
Okay. Passive recurring.
Yes. There's a managed fund that trades FX volatility, meaning not market direction, volatility. As long as the market moves up and down, you make money. And it pays out 8% every month.
Wow.
It does not trade stocks. It only trades FX, volatility.
Okay.
And that amounts to 2% per week.
Yeah.
Which can give you actually 8% a month and up to 80% in 1 year.
Again, that demands some professional guidance, because any amateur would be skittish again.
Now, if you contact us, we will arrange the entire thing for you if you become our client, and we will tell you how to do it. We'll hold your hands. And
I understand that the account will be in the investor's own name, and you can actually track what the fund is doing on an MT4.
Let me add, it is managed by professional traders with at least 20 years of experience.
Okay.
So it's an added measure here, so that while the tech shares go up, tech shares go up, you can earn this income every single week, every single month. It's up to you.
Yeah. And those of us who've been following you on this channel have been kind of presented with tips as to which industries, which stocks to go for. So keep watching.
Well, I just gave you a tip. I said, watch Alibaba. Now, the second way for passive income is a staking fund, okay, that does not trade and pays you 1% a month. And that amounts to 0.25% per week. So all in all, you will make 2.25% a week in this passive income program, which amounts to 9% per month and up to 90% a year. That is in addition of making for you at least 30% every 6 months in your tech stock.
Per trade. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, I don't know where else we can get something as good as this. And some people might say it's too good to be true. Yeah, so call up Ashwin and find out exactly what it is.
Yeah, if you do this true, then call us and find out the facts. You see, I always tell this to my potential clients. Just because you have never heard of it doesn't mean it's something suspicious.
Yeah.
Put us to the test.
Never done it.
Put us to the test, and we will show you.
Thanks, Ashwin. How do we call you?
You can contact us at bit.ly/algotrader, which will land you on our WhatsApp page, because our website, algomasters.com, is still under construction. And I strongly advise viewers to please sign up for a free algorithmic trading newsletter, which we send out every day. And you can click on the link at the bottom of this video on TikTok or either YouTube. And it's totally free of charge. I can guarantee you, you will be kept abreast of what's happening, and is a chest full of knowledge.
Thank you so much. I know that. I know that for a fact. Thank you so much for today, Ashwin.
Thank you. Thank you.